You cannot really grasp here in Ghent the climate change. It's amazing that there's a lot of bike mobility, but it's not enough. I think the cars should be reduced. I think one of the biggest cause of climate change is emissions, and the clinic is focused on air pollution also, and how to counteract this problematic in the city. Why don't a city actually have the knowledge, and when they put all the trees and the flowers in the spring to make the city beautiful, why they don't actually put the plants that are cleaning the air? Why they don't think about this already ahead? It's not about believing, it's also about scientific studies. There are scientific studies that prove that these plants are efficient, and with the mixture with the fungi and the bacteria even more efficient. So I think it could help. Yeah. The industries overrule the government. They have more power than the government, so in that sense I think it's a really hard fight. We have been waiting a lot for the changes coming from the politician side, and as I said before, I think it should come from the people, that they really start to taking action, but also standing back on their consumerism patterns.
Can you tell us a little bit like easy steps for like normal people to do in their houses to make it better? Like easy steps that anybody can do?
Well, I think one of the first steps it would be to consume less. Be more in contact with nature, because I think nature is forgotten, and I think people, they are too busy and they don't have time to see what is around them. And when they lose the connection with nature, they also lose the connection with themselves. And this makes them feel apart from what is around them. Everything that is around is nature, but people don't realize about that. So I think both science and art, they are linked in the sense that they are wanting to reveal the truth to society. They have different tools and tactics to do it. I think they are just not aware about the power that it exists in between the two disciplines. And I think the intersection of this public, it's where it happens, this space where ideas can merge, because it's different poles, but they are connected with each other, and it can be really one of the main tools for change. For me, it was in 2009 in Copenhagen. It was where I realized what was really happening to the world. And also being there, you see everyone coming from all the corners of the world. You see indigenous entering the conference room still with their feathers. You see Africans, you see everyone from everywhere, the countries that are really connected to nature, and the ones that are suffering the most, which is the most paradox also of nature, if nature is really taking care of human being. I would really encourage people to go there, because just being there, it gives you the whole perception of what is happening all over the world. It's not about nature, nature will always survive. It's us that we have to fight for.
If you had the opportunity to speak directly to the authorities that are going to be in the Paris conference, what would you say to them?
Let me think a little bit. Yeah, this is a very hard question.
It's a tricky one.
A tricky one. Maybe I would ask if they would be a superhero, what would they do to save the planet? Yeah, I think they should be confronted with this reality, and maybe I would tell that they should go and live in a place where the climate change is really taking place, to stay there for 1 week holiday with no water or no house to live. Yeah.